G'day folks, what is going on? Coming to you on a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday morning. In this one, I just wanted to give you guys a little peek at some of the swag that just dropped from the good folks over at Kajabi. We crossed the 500k in sales through the platform. We process payments through a couple of different places, but one of those is Kajabi. So we just ticked over the 500k with them, and now we'll push up to the $1 million mark. And you guys know I don't mind collecting a little bit of swag from the journey so far online. We've got the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award. I've got a ring here from an affiliate program that I was one of the top affiliates for. We've got a couple of awards over here from some work I did with Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson on a big promotion. And then we've got some of the other Kajabi awards from along the journey, the 50, the 100, the 250, and then the little 500k pin. I don't know if you guys can see that with the light. There we go. The 500k pin just dropped, and they sent a couple of other little things as well. Plus, we've got the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award as well, right? And now look, it's not all about these trophies and stuff, but they're a bit of fun, and I like using them as a little target to hit. Obviously, there's a lot more to the game than that, but they're nice little milestones to pick up along the way. Now, the 500k thing with Kajabi, it used to be a set of AirPods, and funnily enough, I had a pair that just broke, and they actually came from Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson from this launch that I was talking about. They sent me a sweet pair of the AirPod Pros, and they just broke after a couple of years, and so I was like, oh cool, we'll just cross this milestone to get these. But Kajabi's changed up their prizes, so a little bit interesting. First thing is like a picnic blanket thing. Kajabi branding's pretty on point. Probably not what I was expecting, but you know, we live on the beach. This is my home office here. This is your first video. You can see the beach is literally just down there, so that'll probably come in handy. We'll actually probably use that. I've definitely not seen companies send out picnic blankets before, so that's a cool bit of swag. We got the wine fridge in the office here. Wine's one of my vices, but hobbies. Got some really nice stuff, so we can take that down to the beach, use the picnic bag. The other thing they sent is a really nice bag. So this is obviously like a travel bag. They sent me a backpack with one of the earlier awards that I actually use quite a lot. We just got back from a month in Italy, and Liana used this everywhere. It's good to like the laptop section in the back and stuff, so that'll be good. I travel a bit for work, head down to Melbourne. I do some work with a dude down there named Jamie. Shout out to Jamie if he sees this. And so nice little travel bags, always good to have. So they're the couple of things that they sent. There was also like a little note in there, and then the pin, like I showed you guys before. So that's the swag that you get when you cross 500 grand in sales with Kajabi currently. Next milestone is $1 million. So we'll just keep doing our thing, and we'll push onto that and cross it in due course. But that's just a short little video. I guess you guys also got like a quick little home office tour. We moved into the apartment not too long ago, so still getting things set up a little bit. But these are the new digs. I got the wine fridge and the sand desk all set up, and then this awesome view by the beach, which I love. This is actually the master bedroom, but I took it over as the home office because I spend a bit of time in here. But anyway, that's the Kajabi swag from the 500k milestone. Appreciate you checking out the video. I'll talk to you all soon. Cheers.